You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player, one of the best ones at the moment. Hopefully he becomes world champion. We'll see. What do you think? In French first. In France, we say it as Antoine. Antoine, I know it's not easy for English speakers, but I've got a suggestion for you on how to say it. Dupont. Yes, the T is silent, okay? So in English, if you cannot pronounce French real well, Antoine, Antoine, Dupont, Antoine Dupont, yeah. Or in French, Antoine Dupont. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.